How to make more money as a freelance photographer. Number 1 is to manage your time effectively. Start each day with a focused list of your top priority tasks and commit to completing these first before working on anything else. Eliminate distractions and avoid spending major time on minor activities that don't increase your income. Number 2, automate the boring, repetitive parts of your workflow. Automation can massively increase your output for each hour of actual time you put in. For example, you can use the Batch Replace Smart Objects plugin in Photoshop to automate mock-up image creation. This tool allows you to quickly generate all your mock-up images in bulk, saving you hours of manual work that can now be redirected to higher payoff activities. Number 3, just get better at what you do. Invest time and money in continuous learning and improvement. Read tons of books, learn from the most successful experts, and upgrade your skills in the critical areas that drive results. Don't just focus narrowly on photography. Expand your knowledge in business success practices, marketing, advertising, and anything else that you think can help you. Reading one book won't make you rich, but the compound effect of upgrading your skills in all these areas over time will make it easier and easier to get results from your efforts. Number 4, ask for referrals. This can be a powerful way to grow your client base. Brian Tracy had a funny line where he said, "How do you get more referrals? Be referable. Deliver exceptional work and provide excellent service to encourage your clients to refer you to others. Don't be afraid to ask for referrals directly. Happy clients are often more than willing to spread the word about your services to the people in their network, and the worst that can happen is they say no. Number 5, use forcing systems to work fast. Compel yourself to adhere to strict deadlines by using stopwatches or timers. Become an absolute task completion fanatic. Parkinson's law states that work expands to fill the time allotted for it. Especially if you're being paid a flat fee per deliverable, working quickly and efficiently is crucial for maintaining a high hourly rate. As an example, when editing or touching up photos, avoid spending excessive time on minor details that don't significantly impact the final result. Master the art of delivering outstanding results while getting the work done quickly and efficiently. Number 6, build a social media following. Experiment with different platforms and styles of content to see what works best. Study the most successful content creators in your space and model their strategies. Once you identify what works, double down on those efforts and stop doing what isn't working. The dumbest thing you could do is keep posting a style of content that doesn't attract any interest. A strong social media presence can line up more clients, showcase your work at scale, help sell your products, and open up new revenue opportunities.